Good afternoon, this is Tom with the Automotive, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the headlight assembly on a 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius. Before we begin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to make these automotive tutorials. We're going to begin by disengaging the latch and lifting up the hood. These vehicles do not come with hood struts, however there will be a stand bar at the very top. First, we'll need to remove 6 retaining clips with a flathead screwdriver. Make sure to be very careful with these since they tend to break easy. Once you've taken off all 6 plastic clips, you can remove the plastic cover. Under that, there will be 3 more retaining clips on the bumper cover. Same as last time, a flathead screwdriver works wonders. Next, we'll have to remove these 2 bolts which are directly under these rubber stops. I would recommend using a flathead screwdriver for this portion instead of a Phillips head to not strip the bolt. Now onto the bottom of the bumper cover. There will be a total of 6 10mm bolts that we'll have to remove. Since we're only replacing the headlight assembly for the driver's side, we're just going to remove the bolts on the left. There will be 1 retaining clip on the underside of the fender. However, with the relative age of this vehicle, there might have been more. On the fender, there will be a total of 3 10mm bolts. With all 3 fender bolts disconnected, we can now remove the bumper cover. There will be a total of 3 10mm bolts securing the old headlight assembly. Now the headlight assembly should be loose. Then we'll just remove the 3 bulbs that are still installed. Those include the main headlight, the turn signal bulb, and the side marker light. Taking a look at that old headlight assembly, there is no doubt that it'll have to be replaced after that collision with that deer. Right here we have our brand new headlight assembly. Now we'll just reinstall the previous bulbs. That includes the side marker and the turn signal bulb. It looks like our side marker bulb would be grenaded in the process from that collision, so we're just going to replace that with a new one. Finally, we'll reinstall our main headlight. We'll also need to reapply the headlight seal. Then it's just a matter of making sure all the connectors to the headlight assembly are secure. Make sure to line it up properly with all its securing points. We'll start by securing all 3 bolts by hand and then tightening it down. With the headlight assembly now sitting comfortably in there, we can reapply the bumper cover. Before we go any further, I would recommend testing out the new headlight assembly just to verify that all bulbs work. With the reassembly process, it's best to work in reverse. First, we're going to start with the fender bolts. We'll reapply our fender retainer clip, followed by the 2 10mm bolts directly under the fender. While we're under here, we'll also reinstall the 6 10mm bolts. Finally, we can move to the top portion of the bumper cover. First, we'll reapply this top plastic piece and verify that all retaining clips are sitting comfortably in it. Then we'll reapply and tighten the 2 front bolts on the bumper cover. After all that, it's just a matter of reinstalling our retainer clips. And that's how you install a new headlight assembly on a 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius.